So our guy's kind of walking down the dock and just checking the situation out. I mean, there's a boat on the dock, but he's kind of giving him the stare down like, bro, I want to back down this dock. Can you move your boat? But this crew just came in and they're going to get their trailer and they're unloading. But as you can kind of tell from these images, it's not really busy down here. I'm not sure why he's giving them the stare down when he can pick any one of these other docks he wants and try to launch. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Point Marina. So he's kind of pointing down the ramps, but like I said, I'm confused on this one. There are multiple open ramps here. It is not busy here at Black Point right now, and our crew just kind of like walked down the one ramp that had a boat on it, like getting themselves confused. So our crew has gotten their truck and trailer back down here. The jet boat has decided to move to the left and move one ramp over to the open ramp. And Wifey's trying to guide the truck back down. So here we go. A little bit of a Black Point wobble as we try and get the trailer down the ramp. And I feel like the boat is too close to the trailer. And now it's slipped off the dock as well. So they've had to reline the trailer up. The truck's going to continue to back down. Wifey steps onto the boat. And I don't know if the truck's not even noticed what's going on here, but they're not even close to being ready. Oh no! So he's pulling the boat around now, as the guy was backing the trailer in with the boat kind of in the way. Now the real problem with this one is now the boat's facing the wrong direction. You can't load a boat this way. But at least we've got the trailer in, and I'm guessing they're just going to have to try and spin this boat around to try and get it loaded. So we've got the trailer set where we want it. We still haven't spun the boat around. And our guy's out of the truck now. One thing of note, though, our jet boat is still up there. Our guy who wanted to come down this ramp is absolutely struggling over there trying to get that boat back down. So here we go. We finally get it facing back the correct direction. And we will do the slow walk up toward the trailer. We'll give it the slight push up. And I'm guessing, I mean, they look pretty good right here. Still got Wifey in the boat. She kind of gives it the inspection like, okay, are we good on the spot? And our guy who was in the truck is going ahead and hooking up the bow line. And they must be good with it because the guy on the docks tossed the lines into the boat as well. So he's climbing into the bed of the boat now with the line still in hand. This is a unique approach. I don't think I've ever seen this one, where he's in the bed of the truck, pulling from the bow cleat, trying to keep the boat onto the trailer. Our guy's starting to winch it up. The stern of the boat appears to be floating pretty heavily. I'm not sure if they don't have the trailer too deep here. So there we go, starting to gotta watch it. That transom is right on the edge of going underwater right there. And I see people get in trouble with that one every once in a while. If the boat starts taking on water right there, it adds significant amount of weight to the boat, and all of a sudden, it becomes a whole lot harder to try and get the boat off the dock. They look good. And our crew looks like they're going to go ahead and try and pull this one out. So the guy in the bed gives an inspection, shakes it around a little bit to see if everything looks good. And, oh, that transom is underwater back there, part of it. She needs to go back to the center of the boat so she's not dipping that corner under. Obviously, she's kicking at it for some reason, though, because she doesn't like the way it's sitting on the trailer, I guess. They're trying to get it leveled out. Oh, he's pulling out. For a minute, I thought they might not be on the trailer, but it appears that they're okay. And they're double checking, but they should be good to go. And our crew here is having a heck of a day. As we can see, the guy in front of the truck holding the tow strap. That's right, this crew is stuck. So they tried several times to get out unsuccessfully. And again, this is with no boat on the trailer. So our crew's sitting here waiting now. They're waiting on the assist of somebody to come over and help pull them out. And here we go. We got a truck pulling up to them now. Let's see if they can go ahead and get them out. So he's got the strap there. They're already hooked up on the van. And they start to pull forward, get a little tension on it, and let's see how this one plays. So a couple good tugs, but man, they're going to be off and running pretty fast. And he's going to get them pulled out. But again, that was an interesting one because they were stuck with no boat on the trailer. There was nothing on it, but it was just so slick. They were just spinning tires and couldn't find their way to get off the ramp. But they're out of here, and we're going to be out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.